Hi, welcome back to Sword and Musket. Trying to get stuck into another project and something's come in. This is what is commonly known as relic condition. It's a British Cavalry 1795 pattern Trooper's Sabre. So let's have a close look at it, make a record of what it looks like now, and then hopefully the improvements that I can make for the customer. But this really is a barn find, as you will see. So this is the really sad looking end. The hilt, the grip, the stirrup type protective bar is bent out of shape. Obviously the grip has seen better days and has the dreaded worm, so we've got to get rid of that, start from scratch. But the pattern is standard, this heavy scabbard with 2 suspension rings, very wide form to it, and these heavy drag at the end. So flipping it over, you can see that half the grip has actually gone completely. When we get cleaning, we might find inscriptions or information. As we move down the scabbard here, you can see the remains of a very ancient label stuck on here. So it looks like it's been on display somewhere. 2 rings, as you can see. There we go. Now let's have a look at the blade. Right, this is absolutely as discovered as coming out of almost the barn that it was found in. Heavy rust. Now you can see this great big wide fuller down the middle, single cutting edge, flat back, this strong curve, and then at the front end you've actually got a sharpened edge on both sides. It runs up to about here on the back, so it can be used as a stabbing weapon, but it's mainly obviously a slashing, cutting weapon with the distinct curve of the cavalry on it. Let's have a look at the other side of the blade. There it is, just as rusty, just as neglected, damaged. Difficult to tell at this stage whether there's any bluing halfway down the blade or not. And then if we look on the flat back, we can see J.J. Runkel of Solingen, which is obviously Germany, Prussia, non-united Germany at the time, allies with us against Napoleon in that period. So they had an office in London and retailed out their swords from there, from the late 1700s into the about 30 or so, I believe, but we can check on that. So now the thing is to get it to pieces, get rid of that. Well, I can't get rid of that wormy grip yet until I've copied it. It will be a case of either beating that tang pin down flat or just filing it and starting again. Then the whole lot should come to pieces. Off we trot.